If you don't have to light it, don't light it. If it has been lit before, it doesn't necessarily need to be lit now.
This workshop has connected local authorities for the same goal under the same sky, which is to reduce artificial lighting using the technologies available to us.
We're not anti-light, but there is a right place, a right time and a right quantity of artificial light at night.
Question if lighting is necessary. If it's necessary, then ask yourself how you can mitigate negative impacts and have a reason to dim it or switch it off when you don't need it.
Light can form a barrier to the migration or movement of species, both the terrestrial and aquatic, and can interfere with our own lifestyle and our own life cycles.
It actually impacts our circadian rhythms with how we sleep, and obviously having that rest and digest part of sleep is so important for our health.
Bats are a really important mammal species and clearly can be used as an indicator species in how we can actually manage our landscape for the biodiversity in general in relation to lighting.
Keep dark places dark.
To push for naturalisation, to give us guidance and to give us the direction we need and the funding to actually push forward and get this as part of normal life in our new developments.
Appropriate design and the incorporation of appropriate dimming policies into future lighting design.
Not try a one-size-fits-all, but to make a plan for the specific locality.
We have something so special in Connacht, in Galway, in Connemara. We've these dark skies where we can see the stars, where wildlife can travel through the landscape unimpeded.
Think about light as a resource, a precious resource, and how that we can benefit all living things by restoring our nightscapes.
There are key things that can be done. Use warm color temperatures, shield and channel the light where you need it, and dim it or switch it off if it's not needed.
We've seen that dark sky lighting is good for us, good for wildlife, and good for costs. I think seeing our night skies and the stars is important for us to experience awe and to recognise our place in space.
Together, we can tackle the issue of light pollution.
We can solve it with the flick of a switch.